Introducing the UltiMaker S5 Pro Bundle, a combination of products that together solve your every material handling concern. At its core is our market-leading high build volume 3D printer, the UltiMaker S5. This stands securely on the material station, the first of its kind in the world. A humidity-controlled enclosure enables continuous single or dual extrusion, housing up to 4.5 kilograms of any filament, including glass or carbon fiber composites. The UltiMaker S5 Air Manager fully encloses the build chamber. Its high-efficiency filter and multi-speed fan create an inside-out airflow that removes up to 95% of ultrafine particles, giving you the freedom to print with an extended range of materials with complete peace of mind. Each of these on their own are remarkable devices, but stack them together and something special happens. They unlock the flexibility for more applications. With true 24/7 capacity, seamless integration, and zero hassle, completing our vision of the ultimate office 3D printing experience. Let the UltiMaker S5 Pro Bundle take care of 100% of your 3D printing concerns, so you can stay 100% focused on doing your best work.